Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction of two two-digit numbers with carrying. So subtraction of two two-digit numbers with carrying, and we're going to do this using the vertical format. So let's have a look at our first example. What is 48 minus 29? 48 minus 29. Now the first stage is to rewrite this question, which is in the horizontal format, into the vertical format in columns. So let's do that over here. 48 minus 29. And let's label the columns as well. The one on the right hand side is the units, and the next one is the tens column. So we've done the first stage. We've rewritten the question from the horizontal format into the vertical format. We are now ready to go ahead and do the calculation. And we always start with the column on the right hand side first. And remember, we are minusing. So this is the first one. We've got 8 minus 9. And let's just write this down here. 8 minus 9. Now we can't do 8 minus 9 because the number 8 is smaller than the number 9. So what do we have to do here? We have to take a 10 from the number 4. The number 4 in 48, that's 4 tens. Now pay attention and see how we do this. We're going to cross out the number 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And that 1 we've taken from here, we're going to put it next to the 8. So this has now become 18. Did you see how we did that? Let's just go back and do that again. So 8 minus 9 we cannot do because 8 is smaller than 9. So we're going to take a 10 from the 4. So this is what we do. The 4 is 40. We're going to cross out 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. And that 1 we've taken, we're going to put that 1 over here. So that becomes 18. So the units question has now become 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9. Now you know what that is, 18 minus 9? That's correct. Again, you can do this using the dot method, the number line, or the fingers on your hands. But at this stage, you should be able to do numbers up to 20. You should know these off by heart. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So let's write that down. So we've done the units. Now we're going to do the tens. We're not doing 4 anymore because 4 is gone. It has now been replaced by 3. So the tens is now 3 minus 2. It's not 4, but it's 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So let's put the 1 here. And we have our answer. 48 minus 29 is 19. That is correct. Now if you need to watch this video again, watch it again. But what we're going to do is we're going to move to a second example. It's going to follow the same principles, but with slightly larger numbers. So let's do that. The question is, what is 76 minus 48? 76 minus 48. Now the first stage, as always, is that we're going to rewrite this question in the vertical format. So let's do that. We've got 76 minus 48. Let's label the columns again. We've got the units column on the right hand side and the tens column next to it. So the first stage is done. Now we are ready to do the calculation. Remember, we are minusing. Right, the units column. the column on the right hand side first, is 6 minus 8. So let's do some workings here. 6 minus 8. Well, we can't do that because the number 6 is smaller than the number 8. So like we did in the first example, we're going to take 1 from the number 7 here. Now watch how we do this. We're going to cross out 7. 7 minus 1 is, that becomes a 6. That 1 we have taken from here, we're going to put it next to the 1 in the units, next to the 6. So the units question has now become 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8. Do you know what that is? That's right, 16 minus 8 is 8. Now we're going to do the tens. Don't forget, the 7 is gone. We've now got 6. So the tens is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. And we have our answer. 76 minus 48 is 28. That is correct. So that is how we do subtraction of two-digit numbers with carrying using the vertical format.